Damn, Curtis.
Hey, honey, you said my Amazon package came? I feel like Ryan Leslie. Oh, thank you, Papa. Can I see it? Oh, thanks, Pop. You take tips? Can I have a high five? Oh, Papa, it's a Kalimba. It's a Kalimba? Okay, almost. Instructions, tools, I'm sure to tighten it up, as well as stickers for the keys. And oh my gosh, it's the Kalimba. This Kalimba is made by a company called Nulam. Kalimba Thumb Piano 17 keys. This is an African tune kalimba that has a wide and deep repertoire of music. We getting ready to have some fun. I think it's time to go ahead and do some YouTube research and see how do I actually play it. Oh, that's hard. We're gonna have fun today. So here's kind of giving a basic diagram of what makes up the kalimba, the different pieces. It tells you about the care as well as the tuning. It comes with an app that you can download to help you tune it to perfection. It says hold the kalimba with your hands, your first web close to both sides. It says your nails will prevent hand pain and to make the sound more ringing. Also, I was using my nails, good. That's beautiful. And I guess it shows a little tip here that if I play a note, tap on that, it will make a little wah-wah sound. Oh! You gotta be kidding me. Y'all not finna cut the grass right now. Y'all not.
Come on now, dog.
Come on now, fam.
Come on, man.
That's pretty good. That's interesting. Let's see what that sounds like. Good, how are you? Well, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. You saying the gate won't open? Yeah, it's open gate. It's open. Mm-hmm. No problem. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think we got this to a good place. Let's go ahead and do the final playback. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was the African Kalimba, and it is a beautiful melodic instrument. I was thinking when I first heard it, I was gonna make a softer beat. That didn't happen today. But tell me, what are your thoughts on the Kalimba? Do you have one already? Are you planning on getting one? If you want to get this same exact Kalimba that I got right here from Amazon, I have the link down below in the description. Outside of that, I hope you enjoy this series. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.